Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're working on building a home gym, chances are you're looking for a barbell. So I want to show you this one from Feikuqi. This is a really nice barbell for home gyms. So this is a 7-foot Olympic style barbell. It is a 34-pound or about 15.5 kilogram barbell. So it is a little bit lighter than a standard bar, which is nice if you're looking to practice techniques at a lighter weight, then this is a really nice option. And it does have the long 7-foot length though, so you get the feel of a standard barbell, which is great. This barbell is made of stainless steel and it can support 500 pounds of weight, which is plenty strong enough for most home gym users. And it even came with 2 spring collar clamps, which is nice, so you can easily secure your weights onto your bar. The weights slide onto this bar super easily, has a really nice knurled design, and it also has marks so that you're able to position your hands for your lifts, and it makes your setup really easy. The texture of the knurl design really helps to be able to grip the bar. I found it super helpful in keeping a really nice grip when I'm doing my lifts and not worrying about the barbell slipping, even if my hands are sweaty. The rotating sleeve allows you to very easily move the barbell around even when it's loaded up with weights, so that is really handy. It's got a super smooth motion. So I really appreciate this barbell for the design and for the fact that it's well built and seems like it's going to last for a really long time and be able to hold up to lots of use in the home gym. So if you're looking for a Olympic style barbell, 7 feet and about 34 pounds, then this might be the right one for you from Feikuqi. I've been really happy with it and would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.